Hi, it's Doug Carey, and I'm excited to have created the Sleep Mastery course to help you, the allied health practitioner, understand how to incorporate sleep education into your current clinical practice. This course is logically divided into 3 sections: education, assessment, and taking action. The education section provides you with foundational background information about the sleep cycle, the critical influence sleep has on human mental and physical health, sleep pathologies, the effect of drugs and medications, and sleep rehabilitation. In the assessment section, I explain the subjective and objective elements, including key clinical tips and the 4 must-do patient-reported outcomes to assist you in your evaluation and progression of your sleep education interventions. And the final section is the hottie. In the Take Action section, we cover evidence-based approaches to improve the causes of insomnia, sleep phase disorders, obstructive sleep apnea, waking spinal pain, and poor quality sleep. We also include a section on one of the most common questions that I get asked by patients, that is, what to look for when selecting the perfect pillow and mattress. The Sleep Mastery course is a combination of learning from my 30+ year as a clinician, my specialisation in musculoskeletal physiotherapy, and my PhD in sleep and spinal pain. I use aspects of the information in this Sleep Mastery course to improve the lives of every single patient I see. And to say that I wish I had known this information when I first became a physio, that's a huge understatement. So, if you or your patients are getting less than 7 hours of quality sleep a night, I guarantee to you that this course will improve your understanding and ability to secure a good night of sleep. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of the Sleep Mastery course soon.